Hello everyone, my name's Mr. Street, and today we're going to be learning the final section of Strollin by David Stoll, which is bars 15 to 20. As before, in the blue box, all your fingerings are there, so if you ever get stuck, all the answers are there. We're going to start off and learn bar by bar through this final section. It's very straightforward, it's very much like what we've learned before, so there should be lots of familiar ground. Okay, let's start off with our first bar, which is bar 15. You'll remember this is very similar to the opening of the piece, but let's go over it one more time. Okay, let's do our Kadai rhythms. Okay, we have ta, ti, 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 ma. Nice lazy quavers, and we're in 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ti, 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 ma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really good. Excellent. Let's go over those notes. I know you should know this from before, but let's do them anyway. It's good to go over things a few times. Okay, so we have C, D on 1 and 3, back to C on open, and 2 Gs both on open. Okay, I'll play first. If you can repeat back to me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, C, G, G. Excellent, really good. Okay, let's move on to the next bar, which is bar 16. I don't think we need to go over the rhythms again as they're exactly the same, but let's do those notes just in case. We have our new note, B flat or Bess, which is first valve, and then we have an A, which is 1 and 2, back to Bess on first valve, back to A on 1 and 2, and then we have an open G at the end. Okay, I'll play and you repeat back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bess A, G. Excellent. Let's keep those quavers nice and lazy. That sounds brilliant. Really cool and bluesy. Okay. Bar 17 and 18, let's do those together because they're quite straightforward. We just need to remember to count our rests and hold our note for long enough in bar 18. Okay, let's go over the Kadai rhythms. So we have ta, ma, ti, ti, ma, 3, e, ma. Okay, I'll sing first, and then if you could sing back to me, we're doing these 2 bars at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ma, ti, ti, ma. 3, e, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ma, ti, ti, ma. 3, ma. Great, well done. Really nice and straightforward. Okay, let's go over those notes. Shouldn't take too long as it's just 2 different notes. We have a top C on open, and then we go to bottom C on open. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, I'm going to play it. So both these 2 bars, and then if you could play back to me, that would be great. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 C. Really good. Now you'll notice the last 2 bars, absolutely the same rhythm. Okay, so we don't need to go over that again. That's exactly the same. Let's just cover those notes and play it together. We have G on open, some more Gs on open, that's 2 more Gs, and then we go to C on open as well. So again, nice and straightforward. We'll do these final 2 bars together. I'll play them, and then you can play them back. One more thing to remember whilst we're here. Do you remember we talked about those long and short notes? Legato, tenuto, staccato. Okay, staccato, short and spiky. Tenuto, nice and long. Okay, let's do the last 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 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 C. Excellent, really good. Final thing to mention before we play through the whole of this passage is there's another funny marking under the very last note, isn't there? Can you see it? So that marking is called an accent, okay? Accent. So we need to think about playing that note a bit louder than the others and having a nice, strong start to it, okay? I'll play you a nice accented bottom C. Can you hear the difference? So nice and loud on that last note. Okay, let's have a go at playing through the whole thing together. There'll be a count-in and then off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, really well done. That was brilliant this time, and see you again next time for learning the full piece. Thanks again.